Okay, what we've done here, we've taken another irregular shape and we sliced it another way. So you see that we form a rectangle and a trapezoid. And the numbers that were given here are the length, the total length, which is 16, 18 for the base, and they gave us 10 for the top of the rectangle, and 10. We know if this is 10, then we assume that that was 10. And they gave us 4 for this little part here, and 6 for the side. So we subtract 6 from 16, and we got 10. So that's what was given. So we're going to go on to another one, which you'll see these numbers again. And you'll see that this is basically the same thing, but what we've done, we separated the rectangle from the trapezoid here. So you can see that the length that they gave us, which was 6 for this side right here, and the total length, which is 16, if you take 6 from 16, if you subtract 6 from 16, you're going to get 10 for this height of the trapezoid right here. Therefore, you'll still have 10 for the base of the triangle and 10 for this part of the triangle. And we'll just, if this is 6, then this side will have to be 6. If this is 10, then this side will have to be 10. So that's how we got those numbers there. Know that they gave us this number and this number, and we just know that because it's a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. So now we know that this base here, which is base 2 of the trapezoid, was given, which is 18. And we know because this length here of this part, this base here of the rectangle is the same as this length right here, which is 10. And the 4 that they gave us, which would make up base 1 of the trapezoid. So we would eventually have to add the 10 plus the 4 to get 14 for the base 1 of the trapezoid. So now we have all the numbers that we need. We need the height, we got the length and the width of the rectangle. We got the base and the height. We got base 2, base 1, and the height of the trapezoid. And those are the numbers we need in order to complete this problem. So now we'll go to how to plug in our values. We know the area of a rectangle is 10, is the length times width, which will give us 10 for the base and 6 for the height. This is 6 times 10, which is give us 60. And then we know that the formula for the trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. So we have base 2, which is 18, base 1, which is 10 plus 4, the 4 that was given to us, and right here we have the height, which we subtract 6 from 16, and we got the height here, which is 10. So we do 1/2 of that 10 times the base 1 plus base 2 will give us the area. So if we go to the next one, we can see how the formulas are plugged in, and we have separated them once again, so you can see that this area of the triangle is 10 times 6, which is base times height. 10 times 6 is 60, and the area of the trapezoid is base 1 is 10 plus 4, and base 2 is 18, the height is 10, which we figured out when we subtracted 6 from 16. And then we have where we plugged in the numbers here, which is base 1 plus base 2, 14 plus 18 is 32 order of operation. Then we have the height of the trapezoid, which is 10. And we divide that by 2, we get 5. 5 times 32, that gives us 160 square feet for the trapezoid. And then we have 60 feet for the rectangle. We add the 2 together, the rectangle plus the area of the rectangle plus the area of the trapezoid, then we get 220 square feet. The area of the rectangle plus the area of the trapezoid give us 250 square feet. And there we have it.